Hello and welcome back to my channel Xlookup. Today I'm going to teach you about Xlookup function. This function is used to find things in a table or a range by row. For example, in this table, if we want to find the price of an apple, we could simply do that by typing in the name. Boom. If we want tomato, it should be 1.1. Let's see if that works. Boom, 1.1. So I'll show you how to do this in Excel. Before that, let's understand Excel's syntax for Xlookup. So it says is equal to Xlookup, so that's the function, bracket lookup value, what value you want to look up. So here we looked up apple, tomato, so that's text or cell data value for which we want to find some other data in Excel. Lookup array, that's the second one. It's the column in which this cell value is. So for instance, for apple and tomato, we'll lookup array would be product name. For P002, lookup value, lookup array would be product ID. And return array, so this is the column in which the value you want to return is. So for apple, if we want to see the price, return array would be price column. If we want to return the product name based on product ID, return array would be product name. So let's get started with the Xlookup formulas. So first we want to find price by product name. So we'll use Xlookup in price. So is equal to Xlookup. We want this, comma, lookup array. That's the column in which product name is, comma. We want to know the price, so we'll select the price column. We'll say muffin, or that's 1.8. Let's do that again. Let's see how much stock we have in the table. It's the same thing, is equal to X lookup. We want to find the stock based on product name. So that's lookup value. We want to find stock based on product, where the product is, so that's the column where the product is, and we want to find the stock, so our return value or return array would be in this. Want to find yogurt, how much stock we have for yogurt, so that's we have 160 stocks left. Cheese is 100. Let's see if we get 100. We get. Now if we want to find product name based on product ID, we'll do this. Product ID, select where the product ID is, so that's lookup array, and we want return array. We want to find the product name, so that's this. So P001, we got apple. Let's try try P018. Chicken breast. So that's how you use Xlookup function. Once again, I'll just give you a little brief. So if we want to find out price of product based on product name, we'll use Xlookup. We want to use a cell, so that's cell, so that's lookup value, lookup array is where that lookup value is, that column, and we want to return the price. So select the column price as return array. And if you want to look really cool, you could just do a drop down menu. I'll show you how to do that. So to create a drop down menu, we'll do this. We'll go to data, we'll go to data validation, or this symbol, click on the arrow, we'll click on data validation. We want a list, so we'll select a list because we want a drop down menu. Our source, so how long or what should be our list, or what's the source of it. So we want product name, so that's our source. Then hit OK. So now you could just do this and find the price with just few clicks. Let's do that again. So go to data, data validation, list, source is same, hit enter, hit OK. Double check. That's the mango, that's stock. Let's check beef steak, 60. That's that. Let's do that one last time. Data, data validation, we want list. So this time we'll select product ID. You got that right. So what's P019? That's beef stick. So that's how you can use Xlookup and combine it with drop down menu so that there are no errors. See, that's pretty cool, right? So like, share, and subscribe Xlookup so that I could upload more videos. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.